I did not kill the Super TV CEO, Michael Ataga Yusufu. He was having issues with his wife. He was not in a happy marriage. He was only taking care of his kids. Murder suspect Chidimma Ojukwu Adora reveals. Hey my people. Anyway guys, welcome back for this YouTube channel for another latest Mina K&G TV where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. So my people, let me dive inside the matter. So guys, you know, some weeks ago this matter come out about this girl when they see for on a screen. So Chidimma Ojukwu say she allegedly sent this other man when they see for on a screen, Michael Yusufu Ataga, to early grave, saying Lego the man. My people, the matter don't come with a lot of versions. In fact, now the fourth version this way we they see, and when this girl did open her own mouth TikTok, now a lot of people don't tire like what is happening. This man's death, is it a movie? As in, it has season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4, and season we don't know. Because how? From the beginning, she talks saying that she sent the man to RIP. One look again, she talks saying no, now because the man be one use Igbola take force her, now she defend herself. The man can't go RIP. The next one now say no, he no get a CD like this, so they talk say she tied the man hand there. Now why that they be see traces of tie for the person rigs? Yes, before she wants send the person, make the person Lego. Now again, she don't come out with another story, say no be she Lego the man. Asking what is happening, my people? The matter get a CD. What is happening? Chidimma, now which version you want us to believe? A lot of people come the talk say now people don't carry put this kind confessions them inside her mouth. Say they don't doctor them, they don't cook them, they don't arrange them, take package and give them for them. Make she come outside come talk or take defend herself. And other people then take talk say some sugar that night they sponsor this kind matter and say she go come out come to get endorsement deals on top, my people. A lot of people, another say now the man wife now they struggle for the implicate this young girl because she gets an affair with her husband. My people, the matter get a CD, but it's just so funny how this man he dead now movie, my people. Now movie will take the watch season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. Which season remain for us to see again? We no know. My people, I not go talk much. I go leave una the video. May una self take listen the new confession where Chidimma say give outside. Well, now finish. I beg. Make una not forget to subscribe. Make una not forget to leave what una think about this video for comment section, because me my head gets at it as it think about this matter. Make you don't forget for turn on post notification and like the video, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for all the support. Love you all. Choose.
He doesn't talk much about himself. He's quite busy, like a busy person. I would say that he, at some point in time, got to know that he likes to carry girls, and he smokes, he drinks, and takes drugs also. So I don't know deep about him. His character, he gets angry easily. He has issue with his wife. So, but his children is what is targeted as family man. He wasn't into happy married life or something. It was just more of catering for his kids. I can't remember some of his friends that I've met, but remember their faces kind of really, or their names, but I've met two people that said friend something. I don't have 10 million in my bank account, so I have like 400 or 500 accounts. Michael gave me his laptop. He had 2 laptops, so I told him that I wanted laptops, so he gave me one, and that was what I sold to get the money. It was a Mac Pro. I wasn't doing usher when I was with him anymore. I was getting more from him than doing the ushering, so there was no need on ushering. Ushering can be 15k, 20k. It gives me more than the ushering. The apartment where it was said it was leaking. So then they said I should book. They said it was free and I too was free. So like let's then see. It was Sunday on the 13th. I decided to check online about the shortlets because it said that I didn't want hotel. There will not be Netflix or like it will not be fun like being in the house or something. So that was when I decided to check for a shortlet. So I sent it to him and he said it was okay. Then he said I should go check the place out. So I checked it and it was okay. Then he made payment. He sent 105. That was for like 4 days. After I paid the money, so after like 1 hour, he came. When he came, then we went to get food. We went out to eat and also get drinks. We're just indoor, watching movie, drinking, smoking. He woke up before me, but I was still feeling sleepy and dizzy because of the smoke, drink, and the drug. So he asked what I need, like what we need. So I was like, we need to buy food and drug because the drug that we brought already finished. He sent the money to their account. Why the other one? He gave me the card because I was trying to make payments and it didn't go through. So he gave me the card. I didn't have access to his card, but I know the PIN code. Before I was leaving, he stood up to lock the door. But when I got in, I was knocking. As there was no answer, I opened the door, was already open, like it wasn't locked. And the duvet was on the floor, plus pillows. The bed, the couch was facing the door, and the bed was stained with blood already, and the floor where it was blood, and then music was on, the TV was on. The room was already disarranged, like someone broke in. Then I saw him on the floor. I didn't know what to do. I took my things with his thing and left. I was afraid. I didn't know if I have raised alarm, they would have arrested me for doing it because I and him were just the only people in the room. I just left. I was packing my things to leave. Then I noticed that my clothes was stained, so I changed it to another. I took the bag that contained his ID and documents, bank statements. My bag was already on the floor. I met my bag on the floor. And then the stuff it was with was on the TV set. That's where the stuff I took was on the TV set. So I just packed them and just put them into the nylon and left. I took his phone. The following week, I was home. Then I went out to withdraw some money from the ATM that I was with. I withdrew 200. Before that day, on Tuesday, he already told me that he's going to give me the money that I requested for. And when I came out, when I was arrested, and they were saying I made away with 5 million naira, there was no 5 million naira in the account. I just did it. It's not like I had something to do with his death. I never had anything to do with his death. The lady that I rented the apartment from, I had to message her that she should please probably send the security guy to check on him. That I haven't heard from him. That's what I said to her. And they came to my house and they arrested me, took me to station. I didn't involve anybody. I don't know who must have come into the apartment. Definitely somebody did that, but I don't know who that person is. I don't know what happened when I left to buy the food. I don't know. Because of the thing I did after not alerting police and then also withdrawing money, I feel guilty for what happened. I did not kill him. Not sure whether I did not kill him, but my doings, taking his money and not reporting the police, I believe that somebody knew where we were and then waited till I left before they could enter. The pressure and people, when I was confronting security guy, and it was like, no, nobody entered into the apartment, that it was just me that entered into the apartment. And knowing full well what I did, withdrawing his money, I just took the blame on myself that since no one believes, let me just take it. No one is influencing my statements. I've not spoken to anybody, my relation or anybody. I've just been in the self since.